Hello, this is Brett with Peppy Heating and Cooling, and I'm going to go over a couple of the benefits of our Comfort Club here at Peppy. We've currently upgraded the price from $168 to $249, and we've added some features to that. There are some features that are still be on there. The same features will be on there as before. There'll be the $100 towards a new system every year that you're a member, 15% off repairs. We reach out to you when it's time to schedule, and it's 2 maintenances every year. With those, we've also added a few really great benefits. The first one being, during our fall service, we're going to remove the air blower system that moves the air throughout your home, and we're going to be cleaning it, which will help with the efficiency, help with the airflow, and will also help the longevity of the unit so it's running for many years. The second thing that we're adding to our maintenance is cleaning the EVAP coil. This is the indoor portion of the air conditioner, and it's what absorbs the heat from the house during the summer months. We're going to clean it and make sure that it's good to go for the summer, and it also increases the longevity of the unit. Third and final thing that we're adding is we're adding a condensate clean out to each customer that's a maintenance club member. And basically what it does is it makes it easy for us to clean out these lines going from the air conditioner to outside, and every year we can clean it out with nitrogen and make sure that you never have any issues. So this is Brett with Peppy Heating and Cooling here in our training center. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 208-906-6928. Have a good day.